Hello students, welcome back to your English class. I am your English teacher Anand Jagtap. So dear students, today we are going to learn about the usage of capital letters. Yes, capital letters uses. Though this topic is very easy to understand, but many people are facing the problems to use these capital letters. They don't know how to use them and where to use them. So I hope this video will help these people to use the capital letters properly and correctly. So dear students, dear friends, first of all, whatever you can see on the board, these four uses I'll take, and then you will have one PPT video in the same video which is very interesting for you, and rest of the uses of capital letters will study in that video, that PPT video. So please watch this video till the end. So let us move the first one, the first uses of capital letters. The first person pronoun, that is I. Yes, so dear students, you know the first person singular pronoun, that is I. Many students are making this mistake while they are using this letter, this I, first person pronoun I, individually. They are writing in this way I, but it is wrong. So when you are writing this first person singular separately individually, so it is always capital letter. Yes, you can see the examples. Yesterday I met my friend. You can see this I is capital. If you are writing this I lowercase, so it is wrong. So this one is correct. Another example, it is the park where I want to be. I, you can see capital. So don't forget dear students, I always in capital letter when it is used separately, or we can say individually. Let us move to the next one. Titles of the books and movies. Yes, so you might have seen the titles, you might have read the titles of movies and books. They are in capital. The first letters are capital. For example, Spider-Man. Spiders S and man's M are capital. So this is what the movie name, and the letters are capital. The initial letters are capital. Another example, Romeo and Juliet. It is the name of the book. You can see Romeo's R and Juliet's J are capital. Next, names of countries and continents. So yes, you know the names of countries, continents, the various places, even your village name, your city name, your town name, your state name, your country name, all are being written in capital letter. Means the first letter is capital. You can see the examples: India, Asia and America. India's R, Asia's A and America's A. These are the capital letters. So move to the next one. Number 4, language names. Yes, in our country many languages are there. So each language is written in capital. Means the first letter of each language is written as capital. You can see I speak Hindi well. Underlined word is Hindi and that H is capital. Another example, she can speak in English. So English, it is a language. So the first letter of this word E is capital. So dear students, here we have discussed 4 uses of capital letters, but other 6 uses are discussed in further video, which is PPT video. So please watch this video till the end. So letters are mainly divided into two parts: Capital letters also known as uppercase letters, second lowercase letters also known as small letters. So you can see on the screen capital letters as well as small letters. So in this session we are going to focus on capital letters and their usage. So the first use of capital letter, initial letter of the first word in the sentence. For example, they left early today. So in this sentence, T of this sentence is capital, that is the first word and the first letter of first word in the sentence. So don't forget, initial letter of the first word in the sentence must be capital. Second use of capital letter, initial letter of the name or proper noun. Example, Rakesh is with Mary and John. Rakesh, Mary and John. These are the proper nouns, or we can say the names, and their first letter R, M, J are capital. The third use of capital letter, initial letter of the main words in the titles of people's, places or works of art must be capital. Example, Professor John teaches English grammar. Professor, this is the title of that person, and so P is capital. Second example, Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. Taj Mahal, you can see the first letter is capital. So remember this third use of capital letter. Next, fourth use of capital letter, initial letter of the days of the week, months of the year and religious festivals. Examples, this Saturday we are planning for a picnic. Saturday, S is capital, day of the week. Second example, Diwali is in the month of November. So here you can see underline words Diwali and November. Diwali, it is the festival, and November, it is the month of the year. So the first letters of these words are capital. So please do not forget the fourth uses of capital letter. Fifth use of capital letter, initial letter of God be it a noun or pronoun. God asks us to trust Him. You can see God and Him. Him, it is for God only. So the first letter G and H are capital. So initial letter of God, be it a noun or pronoun. Sixth use of capital letter, initial letter of a noun that is a trade name, means a brand name. Xerox is a company that sells print and digital document solutions. So Xerox is a trade name, so X of this word is capital. So this is about the 6 use of capital letters. So in this video, these 6 uses are there of capital letter. So one important thing to keep in mind, don't overuse it, means capital letters. For example, please do it immediately. In this sentence you can see all the letters are capital. So it is not good to use all the letters capital. It looks rude. It's that the speaker or the writer is in angry mood. So it is all about today's session. Thank you very much. Bye.